Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Global Health Security Index 2021. Global Health Security Index, it's an assessment and benchmark of health security. That is, it's a report on health. It's an initiative by Nuclear Threat Initiative and Johns Hopkins Center. Nuclear Threat Initiative is a non-profit global security organization which focuses on nuclear and biological threats. And Johns Hopkins Center is created to focus on public health. Now, this index is based on 6 categories. It has 37 indicators and 19 sub indicators. So, what are the 6 categories on which this report is made? That is prevention of pathogens and release of pathogens, detection and reporting of epidemics, how we have seen this COVID sudden epidemics and pandemic later turning into pandemic. So detecting and reporting. We should not hide so that epidemic becomes pandemic, like how it has happened for COVID. Rapid response. So if there is a early detection and early reporting, then it is easy to respond and take the actions to prevent it. Next one is health system. There should be a sufficient health system in each country everywhere available so that it will be helpful to protect the people. Compliance with the international norms and risk environment. Now, this index measures capability from 0 to 100. Low scores are that countries which are having 0 to 33.3. So if if a country is having 0 to 33 number, then it comes under low score. That is, they are not having proper health system. And the high scores are 66 to 100, and the middle scores are lying between 33 to 66. So India ranks 42 out of 100, 42.8 out of 100. In 2019, it has slipped now actually by 0.8 points. In 2019, it was 42. Now it is 42.8. In the world level, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives have improved their score, and the overall scores has improved for a few countries, but most of the countries have not performed well because of the pandemic and epidemic. So most of their country scores have slipped. And in 2021, no country has scored in the top rankings, and no country has scored above 75. The overall performance of the country has slipped, and because of the COVID, nobody was prepared for it, and nobody is countries have uh, health system so that can perform better. Insufficient health capacities and emergencies which has raised. This is a major concern why so many countries rank have slipped. And as it was an emergency, 65% of the countries had not published the real data and the response how it has to be done. And the countermeasures, 75% of the country did not have the ability to provide medical measures, vaccines or drugs. So these were the reasons why many countries have slipped their ranks. Lack of financial investments is also one of the criteria, and most of the countries, including high incomes, have not dedicated financial investments in epidemic or pandemic. So as it was a pandemic, nobody was prepared for it. So they did not have funds dedicated for the health. Up to 79% of the 195 countries have not allocated funds for this. And the public confidence in the government has come to low. So health emergencies demand a better infrastructures when there is an epidemic like this, so that the people do not lose their trust on the government. What are the recommendations? There should be a health funds dedicated for the health of the public in a situation like a pandemic like this, like a COVID. It should be dedicated in every country. There should be additional support from the international organizations which cares for the public of all the countries. And there should be involvement of private sectors so that it will partner with the government and help in these situations. And philanthropists and other people can also do funding so that the public health can be improved. That's all for today. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.